how to read a food label correctly. What a diabetic should know. Did you know 50% of the people do not know how to read a food label, and 85% of them do not realize that misreading a food label can even harm them. Hi, I am Dr. Utsav Sahu, consultant physician. The most powerful tool in the management of diabetes is the nutrition label mentioned. Here's how to read a food label like a pro. Start with the serving size. Begin by checking the serving size mentioned on the food label. If more than one serving size is consumed, the intake of calories, carbohydrates and sugars increases proportionately. Review the ingredient list. Ingredients are listed in descending order by weight. It may be helpful and cautious with products where ingredients like sugar, corn syrup or refined flour appears early in the list. Preferably choose options that include whole grains, nuts, seeds and naturally occurring fibers. Understanding total carbohydrates. Total carbohydrates include sugars, dietary fiber and sugar alcohols. Checking the fiber content. Foods with at least 3 to 5 grams of fiber per serving may be support slower digestion and gradual nutrition absorption. Soluble fibers are more helpful and they are considered beneficial as a part of balanced diet. Identify added sugars. Added sugars are listed separately on the food label and they can contribute to overall sugars. Differentiating added sugars from naturally occurring ones like fruits help in informed food choices. Interpret percentage daily value. The percentage daily value indicates how much a nutrition in one serving contributes to a daily diet based on 2000 calorie reference intake. 5% of the daily value or less is considered low, whereas 20% or more of daily value is considered very high. It may be advisable to monitor nutrients such as sodium, saturated fat and added sugars. Be cautious with marketing terms. Terms like whole grains do not necessarily reflect the product's overall impact on health and blood glucose. Always read the full nutrition label and ingredient for accurate information. Managing diabetes does not mean giving up on favorite foods. It means making smarter choices. Over time, reading labels becomes second nature, and combining label reading with the habit of regular sugar check with glucometer to know how the food affects you, and follow the 3M rule, that is monitor, measure and manage. What gets monitored gets measured and what gets measured gets managed. Thank you.